Today our date.
Don't ask now because now we don't have school.
Yeah, you don't have to go to school for know the date. Good evening. Evening. What time is it now? It's evening. Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, golf course again. I have two beautiful young ladies with me. And they're going to talk to us about that movie, Three Sisters. We want to find out what's going over for them. And also, we want to find out from them what has the experience been from the inception, from the beginning, from the genesis, up until this point. Yep. How long does sound ago?
Does that make sense?
That one, guys, she likes to insult her.
How do I? I respond to skip.
So, yeah, so I don't know how we do it. I will get some visuals first, some nice visuals, probably just use them for the entire B-roll, and then we'll come back and talk. Reason why I'm not so animated in this one, I chill. I feel really, really chill. Alright, then just give me some time, taking some photos, try to get them under control, make them calm down. Then we can actually ask them about the questions about the movie. So, but be here with me, When them make them get out everything with it. Watch out.
Go get the body here for me.
Before we see what snake come.
How?
What do you
I'm not
do?
seeing it.
They're not poisonous, Carlanda.
Don't just say they're poison, but they're not easy.
They aren't.
So you know, it's like kind of people them.
Yes, I'm a people them. Serpent.
But they admit
They can't tap no more with address you.
Address me.
Let's get in there.
Address me.
we mostly thought that you people were in the flying section and 4-foot creature section, but apparently you crawl too.
A crawl snake crawl?
Hmm?
A crawling crawl?
Wiggle.
I don't think a crawling crawl. I think they have a name for how snakes move.
Wiggle, wine,
No.
jiggle. We're going wine and broke it down.
Both are in a Three Sisters, Three Different Man, right? Oh, so who are you in the movie though? I get this straight. Carolina, who are you in the movie Three Sisters?
I'm the beautiful, ever so beautiful.
Shut up. What are we in the nice?
Minya here.
And your point is?
She can't, yeah.
I can
Canada.
straighten these for you.
I see.
So you're a character that want to take man character, Carolina?
No.
Yes,
you're
you
just
did.
pretty and pregnant.
How was the experience?
Frightening.
Frightening?
Yes.
Like from the, like me know with Beaver here, she have a problem here with Fire I said because she said Fire chat fast.
Yeah, each of us chat
Yeah,
fast
what
and so we chat fast, you know.
It was, I didn't want mixture, because it's tempting. You know, when girls step together, everybody get tough chat, you just have your
because that's the rule. Yeah,
your
that's
character is,
just to be.
So
Fancy and simple.
did you know her? You never know Beaver before you come here.
no.
And you guys look at Tilala playing her here and all
She
sort
not
of
playing
things.
me.
Sorry,
Yes,
you're not playing it.
Fix a good mama.
I just something with females and develop a friendship and bond faster
We're
than
not
males.
friends, we're associates. So we just work as a team, right? We're not friends. You know what is friend? Eh? Come catch up and catch up, good man. You know, just
Every chance I get them try to shut me up. So this is not friendship, guys. That's why it's hard for trust woman. You see how them loving? Look how them are behave loving with each other. And they can still stand up in front of each other and say, oh listen, we are not friends, we are just associates.
friends.
Me no
I
get
just
this.
a friend. Look
How friend goes? Tell me how it go. Are we friends?
No. Because we're not.
Alright. Me not hurt. Me not hurt. But like the video, in case me feel hurt, like the video.
Alright, we are just a team. We are just a team mates that we work together.
Alright, listen to me. Me don't want to call me again since we are not.
Listen, you need to understand.
No, but Biba, I don't understand.
Listen, remember, for example, when they used to go school then, and you and that person, like, for example, 6 away the year, so, but I 6, 2 minus in, post teacher put the same 6 away in one group. At the end of the day, we have to do what we have to do, It's no fronting, It's just to put in the work and to get the work done.
We're great associates.
Okay, I agree for disagree.
We're great associates.
So let's get back to the movie now. Zine, so was it at any point was it at any point uncomfortable for you, Miss Carolina?
Well,
when I had to, the party was supposed to put out
chat na pa, waka na ba na chat ba? Wow.
Not pure no man. So, yes.
The scene where I had to lie in the dirt and the creep took me out of the that was like, sometimes when them fine girls were dead.
You never did.
No, I know, but it create that same scene and we can just imagine how people that thinks them and then just throw them in a bush and whatever.
Or like seeing things happening, like I hear things that money come to realize.
Exactly. So you see a body and you see it in the dirt and the grass and everything.
So even though I did acting, it kind of.
Me think.
Physically or mentally uncomfortable, or
it
both.
Was both.
Jaja stuff.
Because me start to think and I say, I can just imagine how them girls they feel.
Wow.
Especially the ones who actually get to know where them dead before them dead. You understand?
Cool.
Apart from that, it was an experience.
What would you tell other females who are interested? Go for it.
If they can manage it, then
definitely.
They can. Nothing try, nothing done, nothing. I'm not discouraging nobody. Listen, in the movie, the role that I play, well, some people that said in.
Me don't realize me not even asking nothing, excited. If you tell me about film part, come talk.
Yeah, me not gonna say nothing.
No, tell me not Jesus and peace. I love your Biba, come talk, tell me about.
No, you have to tell me say nobody love me.
Nobody love you.
Alright. In the movie, the role that I play, I enjoyed it because.
You can't kangaroo.
Well, me not like, me get the good role, the greatest role.
Are you a protagonist in that show
yes,
that you them love?
The bad apple, yeah. You see me, but
This apple but actually sweet.
She nah stop interrupting man, but it's alright.
Alright, go on.
So as me I say, in the movie when I play the role, I tell you say, I would do it all over again 100 times. I would do a movie where I'm the bad apple in it all the times. Because that's what I actually say and I realize. Oh my God, me feel harassed. Me harassed, so don't come beside me.
Me have for the years to come here to me.
You want
Sometimes depends on certain
hold on. So you're a thief in a real life?
No. Certified.
Hold on, let me check my pocket them.
Certified thief.
Certified thief.
Let me check my pocket them, make sure I have.
Certified thief
have my
in the
things,
movie.
So what other role would I play again? Would I be the bad person?
In any other else movie?
Like what kind of bad person role then?
Alright then. But I want to have a friend and shoot her if you get her man bun.
Take with your friend man?
No, I won't take with my friend man. But I shoot my friend and encourage her and say, yeah girl, give your man bun.
Where your boots are?
Your boots are and say, give your man bun girl. Yeah, you know what I'm saying about it.
So I have one question for you now. Now that you tell me how exciting you find your role and how the experience.
We're not friends. So she can't encourage you to give me one bun.
Okay, good. What's your favorite person, Beaver? Put up on the spot.
Who's my favorite person in
Here,
what?
here. You are my favorite person here.
You are mine.
No, I can't be a favorite person. You know me long time. You know me from before I come here, so I out that.
Then who else?
I don't know why you have to tell me.
In the movie then, nice. Even in a scene when...
You always ask for Kelly.
Oh, you're talking overall in the movie?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't want y'all get it twisted, I love everyone that I'm working with. It's just that who me me really, who understand me, because sometimes my head go and come, yeah.
That my head go and come.
So the Rasta man tell me about no other future role one have to play?
I can't disclose that.
But he's the one.
Can't disclose it? Me I go find out. Me must find out.
You do your thing. You do your thing.
So yeah, golf course people. Too miserable. I don't know if I think they're pretty. I don't really think they're pretty, you know. So I have to check my pocket, you know, because she says she actually do the things them. You understand? So I have to, and them like them not even have no money. What? None of it now come out. None of it now come out. Them love here and them love. What do you think majority of the males that are watching this video, what do you think they are thinking?
What do you think, sir? They just want to say it's a movie.
I wonder if she want one job as some expensive some. I wonder if she want one job as a receptionist.
I wonder if she was to take some of my money.
Man, if you give me, why not me?
You know look at a man on the internet, beaver.
If you give me, why not?
But if them a look you,
Yeah.
Rastafari.
So, I tell you what happened behind the back now. It's going to let out in the truth, it's going to reveal it now.
Yes, yeah,
So, I remember when I was here at the first week, you weren't here. Don't talk here. So, I go home now and think, I say the following week, I never come back. At the weekend, I come back. So, I saw this girl doing video with you. Oh, I not get no feelings. I'm like, okay, not about the end of the day, we have to meet new people. Every day.
I jealous, I get jealous.
No, listen.
You know, so I remember say you message me too. Come talk. Yeah, true, yeah, talk. Come talk.
So now, I saw her and I saw him say she's a nice girl, I like her smile and all these things. Anyways, get to meet her in real life. So on the same weekend now, it's next lockdown now, when we come down here, remember how the nice same blouse?
Yeah.
Same color?
Yeah.
Everything.
Me never noticed. Wow.
She was on the phone and I'm like, and I was like.
On the phone?
She was on her
Yeah.
phone all along.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, she doesn't on her phone, so because that is me. I just want to start provoke you. But you never did pay me attention. Anyways, enjoy that one. So we did cook that evening. I remember when I asked her if she want food and she was like, I don't want any dumpling, something like that.
Yeah.
We cooked the food and me and Kelani was like, she asleep down here. I said, no. But anyways, due to the fact that it was locked down at certain hours, so me figure more or less and I said, yes, she go sleep down here. That's said and done. And I'm like, who she go sleep with? And I said, Kelani and me I sleep same way. We not sleep, she not sleep with her. Something like that. Anyway, we done cook the food. And when
Oh God of His mercy. Expression on her face priceless.
Come out there and ask if I want some food and you ask you what cook and I say flour. I say no one that you will look something for you. So alright, that's it and done. When we done cooking food now, the plate was there because me they wash up the plate them when me a cook. So the food, the plates them now when they finish eat out of was there. And then she came inside. And then I go in the kitchen go look. Me say no goods, me see. A goods, me see I wash your plate. Them
a goods are your name, a goods are the name you get?
No!
Goods.
Remember, I never know her name because she was on the phone. First time I come, I tell her hi, but she was on the phone, so I never want to interrupt. And I run down, she can't tell Kelani, say, Kelani, we get one Cinderella. She can't work, she will wash your plate them. And Kelani say, I lie. We say, girl, go on there, she wash your plate them. And Kelani, go on there. And Kelani, go on there, she wash your plate them. And think, I say, no, but she wear no good face. Then me with my enough seller, remember what? Me come round here and say to you?
No.
Alright, so me go round there. And I see good so I should play. So I say, friend, you don't remember me said to you? No. And you didn't say something to me, but you know easy.
I was listening to music.
Yes. And me go there and say, hi. And you take out the earphones. So me realize.
You sound like a good housewife?
Something similar to that. You
No,
don't remember?
man.
No.
So I'm going there, I still remember now, I don't know, lie me I tell. So I'm going there, I say, yes, welcome, we get some if we can wash the plate after now. You remember? And then she jump over and say, well, you not easy. Yeah, we not easy. But that's trouble, me there trouble right now, guys. But she just come and take her on the plate. She don't eat none, but she come and wash. Yes, one of my say she's a good girl. Me didn't like that. Cinderella. Right there, so. So me the thing that she's a one type of girl love give attitude.
So you just are wrong then?
Yes, at first.
Mm.
But by night we come now with the good like that.
I did the same thing with you? You did see her when you come here?
Remember she was
I was on the phone. I saw her when she came in, but I was
Like when did you notice her or what?
when
The
I
first
saw
time?
her blows.
Oh, the burgundy,
Her
oh,
back
the
was to
similar
me,
blows.
and then I was
Oh,
like-
we have on the same blouse.
We're in the same blows.
y'all are so cute. Look at them with their cute stories.
Some I will make a good say. Yes, we have some news for the wash plate good say. But it's not easy. yeah. And disrespect me, they are disrespect her now, sorry about that. You don't feel that way now.
Hold on there. My time done on the camera. What you say? What you say?
And you alone eat a sweet.
No, but watch you have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, you hear now? I have a YouTube channel, meaning you have a YouTube channel, you alone turn on your channel. Fair enough.
No, but what
Me
I'm
go
saying is,
Use this medium to advertise.
I want her to, because I say me alone, it's sweet, so I want you. Get up on? Me with them in a focus. So me I say is if you want it to be sweet, you too. What could have happened is that you send the people them over your YouTube channel and tell them what you plan for upload. You that do good enough.
Yeah.
I don't tell our people that you that do good, just a chat pan video. Like that story there a while ago. You see, you don't want it sweet, yo. But anyways, people, hear me I say now. I'm always a telling you. Thank you no 1 million. You see me? Thanks. I'm responsible for one big part of my survival because when everybody abandoned me and then they put me up on suicidal watch, you remember that? When I alone need to stick around and support me. All sort of alley. Financially, all sort of alley. I look for me I know. You know.
TVJ.
You get no baby yet?
No. You gonna really do that though? No.
Where my that one?
Ask me if I get no baby yet. I think that question has been asked.
100 times.
The first time he come
Like-
when me do the question thing, curious
This
him.
is the first me ever hear that question. Like I've heard that question so many times for this year. I mean, I think there is going to be another time in my life for me to hear the question so much.
Jaja. You really want a baby, Carlanda?
I do, just not know.
Miss sorry if you, hey. Nobody now breathe, you know. Nobody now breathe. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm going to end the video now. I get some photos with them. We need to get some photos I can put on Instagram and all the places. And the lighting is perfect right now. So, thank you for tuning in. People, we have to make it this far. Definitely. Why not break your neck in a one?
Platform